Hey now, hey now.
Good day. We are here to present our business plan, which is Pizza and Kaya Franzo. By the way, I am as one of the reporter for this day. This is our logo. Since our business is pizza, we choose that kind of symbol as our logo. It's like a sliced pizza. What is Pizza and Kaya Pranzo? Pizza and Kaya Pranzo is an Italian term of pizza even at lunch. Why do we choose this kind of business? We choose this kind of business because pizza is a universal food. Everybody eats and loves pizza. And we think that we can gain a great profit from this kind of business. Who are our target markets? Our target markets are the Ormoc youngsters, the Ormoc workers, families, students, and tourists.
Category of enterprise. The category of enterprise, we have a small business. A needed amount to establish a small business is 1.5 million to 15 million pesos. By employment. Since we have a small business, we have 10 to 99 employees. The allowance per day is 150 pesos and 4,500 pesos per month.
We choose Avila Street as our location because it is near by the schools, hotel, the newest Ormoc Doctors Hospital, and other establishments. Since we are near to many establishments, we can gain a good profit from the customers. This is our sketch, and it is where our business is located. It is the picture of the location. Apart from our efforts, the success of any project depends largely on the encouragement and guidelines of many others. We take this opportunity to express our gratitude to the people who have been instrumental in the successful completion of this project. We would like to show our greatest appreciation to the respected Mr. Jose Randall Pango. We can say thank you enough for his tremendous support and help, for the valuable guidance and advice, for showing us some example related to the topic of our project. He inspired us greatly to work in this project. The cooperation and help rendered by Ms. Janine May Princess Cabase, Ms. Honey Grace Mauas, and Ms. Mary Leanne Felicita is highly acknowledged. Finally, an honorable mention goes to our families and friends for their understandings and never-ending support to us in completing this project. Without helps of the particular that mentioned above, we would face many difficulties while doing this, and last but not the least, to God, who made all these things possible.